Welcome back to my channel today. I want us to simplify this algebraic fraction that we have on the board. We are asked to write it as a single fraction, okay? So we are going to be making use of LCM to simplify this and write it as a single fraction. So the first thing we do is to get our LCM, right? And then our LCM, let me write this as over 1. Our LCM will be the multiple of this and this. Because if I multiply this and this, then they will be able to divide that LCM. So that means my LCM is x minus 1, x plus 4. So what next do we do? Let's simplify. X minus 1 divide x minus 1, x plus 4. This will cancel this. So I'll be having x plus 4 to times x plus 4. All right? Then come over here. X plus 4 divide these guys. This will cancel this. I will have only this one. So I'll have 3x plus 8 to multiply this, which is x minus 1. Over here, 1 divide here gives me the same thing. So use 3 and multiply them. That is plus 3 into x minus 1, x plus 4. Then let's expand all the brackets completely. For here, I will have x times x gives me x squared, x times 4 gives me plus 4x, 4 times x is 4x, 4 times 4, I have 16. Because of this negative sign, we are going to open another bracket because this minus will affect everything inside here. So 3x times x will give me 3x squared, 3x times negative 1, negative 3x. 8 times x gives me 8x, 8 times negative 1, negative 8. Over here, let's put this 3 outside and then multiply. Later, we use 3 to open the bracket. So x times x gives me x squared, negative 1 times x, negative x. Then x times 4 will give me 4x, minus 1 times 4, negative 4. Leave this thing first. Let's simplify here. Then we'll bring this one down. 4 plus 4 will give me 8. So I'll have x squared plus 8x plus 16. Then let's open this bracket. Minus times positive will give me minus 3x squared. Then let's add here. Minus 3x plus 8x will give me positive 5x. Multiply it by negative, we have minus 5x. Then this minus multiply negative 8 will give me what? Positive 8. Then over here, use 3 and open this bracket. 3 times x squared will give me plus 3x squared. Then look here, I have minus x plus 4x. So minus x plus 4x will give me 3x. Multiply it against this 3, we have 9x. Then 3 times negative 4 will give me negative 12. So I've succeeded to open all the brackets. Bring this down. X minus 1, x plus 4. So what next do we do? Let's look out for like terms and cancel out. All right. Look at this. Minus 3x squared plus 3x squared. Additive inverse. Additive inverse can subtract themselves. So this has subtracted. So what again do we have? Let's just collect like terms at this point. We have x squared plus 8x minus 5x plus 9x. Okay, then the constants 16 plus 8 minus 12. All right, all over x minus 1, x plus 4. Then at this point, let's add and subtract. 8x minus 5x will give me positive 3x. Add it to this guy, we have 12x. So we have x squared plus 12x. Then 16 plus 8 is 24. 24 minus 12 is 12. We have plus 12 all over x minus 1 and then x plus 4. So at this point, we leave it as our answer. We have a single fraction now simplified to the latest. This numerator cannot factorize. Had it been it can factorize, we'll factorize it and see if anything down here can cancel the numerators. But nothing can cancel at this point, so we let it as our answer.